rapture na abasen kwana ihene ya kasase no because man say
enhancement drugs.
Yeah.
But that would be dangerous to you, and no. I don't think that's a good call.
That's me, and that's what I want. So if you
I'm not the papande. Papanda.
Think you are a man and you are coming for me and you don't know how to use drugs for sex, then stay back.
I'm not Monyana Papa, one friend Neja, no Yananda. I'm a Samsung. You see, these are the women I want why I were that were about to try young boys one quadro.
DJ Paco Rich.
It was your friend, yeah, bra was so new to your watching put chapter that I would there your guy hair, but I send me a major lie. The man video be my major lie about as simple. But anyway, big shout outs to Arnold, yeah, Arnold. Vibes in 5, Elevanyo. Hey, Arnold. And I mean, that sissy are there, you're confident in sissy Adam girls in age what are there one. Na gay bin somehow abaka Arnold ne platform no the medium passion and I'm being free now for. And they advise every man to run. So with them gaily are. What may I say them video? Now this is best. No reka fucking says. Ah, hey, what's wrong? What say?
When you are approaching me, you need to be someone who takes in drugs for sex.
Hey.
Yes. Because me,
Hansini ye, Mukwe Tribuna, Sash and Bium. Awesome then.
When you are approaching me, you need to be someone who takes in drugs for sex. Yes. Because me, I love distance sex.
Like
kilometer girl.
Distance, as in the person staying far.
No.
Like how?
Oh, I know the vibe and more patch and open, you know, you're not there. No, what child?
I mean, you need to go far.
Like you need to last long.
Last long.
You need to.
But you know, come far, brabo minutes on pill in them and pum far no pay.
Last long.
Yeah. You need to last long. And I love crazy sex too.
Okay.
Get Obadam far. You love bad crazy sex.
Yes. So when you are coming, you need to be someone who takes in drugs for sex.
Get
Are you sure of what you are saying?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Are you sure? Whilst someone was here the other time to beg men, Esther, she was here to beg men to stop taking drugs for sex. You are here saying you are interested in men who use sexual.
Now we are saying the time and ask what kind of a saying? What saying we bought your mark with a young one now there. Rapture na abasen kwana ihene ya kasase no. Because man say
enhancement drugs.
Yeah.
But that would be dangerous to you, and I don't think that's a good call.
That's me, and that's what I want. So if you
I'm not the papande. Papanda.
Think you are a man and you are coming for me and you don't know how to use drugs for sex, then stay back.
I'm not papa, one friend Neja, no yananda. I'm a Samsung. You see, these are the women I want why I were that were about to try young boys one quadro. Peer pressure. Or shall you know I'm gonna be 2 hours. Nanya kupona rebeina honze no bonnet den. Na so one other wasa. Ihe ni ebe mawala smamba da war one on tougher. Yo girl, get serious. I know that book of me. Hey. Mansaso, I go no lizard and engine bressama.
Can you stand it? The kind of things that boys are chewing, boys are drinking and rubbing on their manhood. Can you stand it? What you are calling for? Can you stand it?
Yes, I can stand it.
But there are men.
Oh, Karishika na waken
People do not do drugs, but they are strong. They can go as long as you want.
No.
I know of a guy who uses just a bottle of water.
It's a market also no. So on saying that if they are even offering a man a naturally or stronger on pet ni vision, you know what many benina other drugs not they have a sex. So now ni motive in there. Opedo produce a lot of drug addicts will come hard. I'm gay or there watching you too. Therefore, arrest him. Or ye agent of destruction. What's the abosam bed or a best say? Damigeli Norseman. How can you even think of this? There are women TV in there, Shembe in Ufa, one your bada, Wabanum Tramo, Code, APC, in a cheddar, what a vote denomination, somewhat that friend one you are bada. Not that would a stroke and a fairness and ring, question would day. I say, guys, Miss Rawan, Mamma be in the game, each man peer pressure on you and Kedita baby room. Miss Rawana. The my Juma Badam for Solomon at Tempoling. Please love your life. In your damn sexy Abakwaka have an Obama at Snarcy forever. In a could debate them game to my when I'm off and no draws I call looking. I will be in a looking. You are killing yourself. Stay away from girls like this.
And he's done. Just a bottle of water, room temperature. Small. He's done.
I don't like him. That when you are coming, be someone who uses drugs for sex.
I bought some fucking things so I tell them now bet now when I catch it when you are coming out. No more my way jambran on your own bed there. You not get brothers where they go sleep with you. I am like say or one or the table most. Hey, sorry. But man, this doesn't make sense, yo. It doesn't make sense. Please, if she's playing her, yeah, cool. But when I summer, I say, yeah, share your back fucking things actually, because we won't sit here and encourage such fucking things. Anyway, we're from DJ Parker Rich. Maria tried them video doing oh me before so I had to react to it. You know they make sense. Mpochawa. But in baby I wish me I sure the baby bit to us say this girl me I go fee. Itumbo to me na da na chere can come. Please, if you love your life, stay away from Mbesiafubia WhatsApp. A young fashion bro. Get serious. With all due respect, Mr. Wanapa, Mbesiamana, Sabona and Jatana, Personam Shisha, Wasadam, Monkwan, Kokwana, who bet today, Quanina Kada at Sona Wanze on wall. Focus on your life. The sex what you want Grammy and Caponchick is I think by this time, no parts and also searching MPP in NDC. Or start to do to pengen there, but still no bon. Squad bottle deodorant and ponye bin talk. Let sex not be your flag. The way me, I'm the best motherfucker. Damu coffee, you want cocoa better. Why wash your own quiet? Join a walk mobile tim. And at the stretch, I don't know what the work is much him. Me guy be a man kesim. O kono no ma aphrodisia bi na nyama bi ma adigina da girl isu wamba. Na adi bodon what in each mo what in a hospital. Odida man odi wu nkwasie wu mo waye ni nkwasie yi. Dam fucking tinsi. Eyi. What's it na guys, I beg. Love your life. Mbesi for the men's one each. Aye. Wow. And when I catch on the you devil, go away from me. Nah, you need JC. Bye bye.
DJ Parker Rich.